In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly manage and utilize two essential Wix platforms, manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. These are crucial tools for creating and editing your website, and by the end of our guide today, you'll be confident in using them to enhance and manage your site's content. Let's begin by navigating to the Wix setup page. Head over to manage.wix.com. This is your central hub for creating a structured and efficient workflow for all your site-related tasks. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout, as it will help streamline your process in the future. Now, once you're comfortably in the setup page, let's jump into the editor, which is accessible via editor.wix.com. From here, you can really dive into the fun part, customizing and adding new elements to your site. On the left-hand panel, you'll notice an option labeled Add Elements. Go ahead and click on that to see a variety of components that you can add to your website. These elements range from text boxes, images, and buttons to more advanced features like forms and galleries. Take some time to explore these, as they can significantly boost the user experience on your site. Next, we're going to focus on adding downloadable PDFs to your site, which is a valuable feature if you are looking to provide your visitors with accessible documents. To do this, go ahead and look for the PDF downloadable button. By clicking this, you're initiating the process to integrate PDFs as downloadable files right on your web page. After selecting the PDF option, an important step is to click on Change File. This allows you to upload the specific PDF document you wish to share. Now, don't forget to have the document readily accessible on your device. This way, when you click Change File, you can quickly locate and select the appropriate file. From there, you'll want to click on Upload Media. This takes you to a new window where you can either drag and drop or browse your device for the PDF file you want to upload. This straightforward upload process ensures that the file becomes part of your media library in Wix. Once you've uploaded your file, the next step is to click Choose File. This action finalizes your decision to use the uploaded file for the PDF download button you've previously added. If you have multiple files, ensure you pick the correct one by double-checking the file name before proceeding. Then click on Document to select the appropriate file type for your hyperlink or download button. This step connects the button with your PDF, allowing visitors to click and download the file directly from your website. Finally, remember the importance of saving your work. Once all these steps are completed, hit that Save button to ensure all your changes are updated and live. Regularly saving your changes prevents any accidental losses and maintains the consistency of your work. By following these steps, you can easily incorporate downloadable content into your Wix website, creating a more dynamic and resource-rich site for your visitors.